Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to set your affiliate signups to pending approval for your weeks using OSI affiliate software. When our affiliate software, you can set up to require affiliate approval before they can get into their dashboard. To do that, please log into your OmniStar account, click Setup Software, click Settings, and then require user approval. Please make sure that this is checked. Then click Update. And then your settings have been updated. Now to test, let's log in as an affiliate, or let's try to sign up as an affiliate. So you have to fill out the form, then choose a password, confirm password, then the phone number, PayPal email, the bank, and then start referring. So once somebody signed up, then you will get a notice that somebody would like to become an affiliate. So once you log into your OmniStar account, click Dashboard, and then User. So you have to approve it if you would like this affiliate to join on your program. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.